All right, welcome back. And I have gotten a number of questions since my video involving the Wazoo cap about my flashlight setup on my wrist. Now this is something I kind of put together just for fun, and it turned out to be very, very useful. So the flashlight that we're talking about today is the Photon Freedom. Now it does not come with these little attached pieces of Velcro. Basically what I've done is I've taken some stick-on loop sections and I've cut them out to be the shape of both the battery section and the button section. Okay, now two loops on both sides, which don't attach to anything except hooked Velcro, which is great. Now on the watch, what I have is a 1-inch Velcro strapping, which you can buy at most places, Home Depot and otherwise, in the Velcro sections. Now you can also buy this on Amazon, and I will put a link down below. All right, so this has worked out to be a pretty useful watch band. Not only does it let me attach my watch to all kinds of places, but not having the clasp is actually quite comfortable, I find. And so I have really enjoyed it. The loop allows for some air to pass next to my wrist so I don't get irritations of any sort. And I recently did get some issues when I was sweating heavily with the watch band that I was using. So I have not had any issues since with this. Now, I do think it will get a little dirty over time, but this is a very easy thing to replace. And actually the strap that I bought was really long, so I could just cut sections of it to make watch bands. So this will be great. And I know it's secure, which is wonderful. So the way I do this is I usually have this set up right next to the bottom part of the watch band. And notice that the hook sides are on the inside. So those are never touching my skin. I simply position the button up, cover that over, and now it's holding with the Velcro on both sides. Now there's a little bit of movement, but it's not gonna fall out in any way. And then I'll come back and fold this in and then back out. Now this allows the sensor, of course, to actually go on my wrist, so I don't lose any functionality of the watch. So I can bring this around, and the flashlight is actually holding the band, keeping the band from moving. Now I can continue to play with it and get it adjusted the way I want it. And that's usually how I let it sit. But the cool part about this is I can take this off like so. I can position it, say, in the middle of my wrist, connect it right there. And then when I bring this back over, I can change how the location of the flashlight is. So now I have it in the middle of my wrist. Why is this important? Well, if I'm working in the dark, let me turn this off for a second. Oops, not that way. Turn it off. If I'm working in the dark, what it lets me do is be able to see what I'm doing inside my hands. So I have the ability to move things around and be able to see them hands-free, regardless of whether I have a shirt on, a hat on, it doesn't matter. It's gonna give me all the vision I need in the area of where I'm working. And it also offers a really fun kind of, ooh, magic, you know, if you have kids. So there's some benefits there on the play side of things. And these are great flashlights also for kids. They work very simply. You can give it to them on a keychain or on a necklace, and they think it's the coolest thing ever. It also comes in all different types of colors. Whoa, that's very bright. Okay, so yes, we have really, really cool flashlight. And not only do I have one on my wrist, I also have found that they're just so compact. I keep it in the brim of my hat, which I showed in that video. What I did not show is that I have also applied a hook section to the end of my hat with some glue. And this allows me to have a hands-free setup. So on top of everything else, this hat becomes a hands-free headlamp. The 10 lumens is more than enough in the dark, I have found, and I think based on comparing it to other things, it's probably closer to 20. It also can be dimmed down to any level under that. So basically, for a USA made flashlight, this is my absolute #1 pick and probably the single most useful flashlight that I have in my collection. I know I say that a lot. I know I have a lot of flashlights in my collection, but inevitably it's the ones that we use that we can truly say we can recommend, right? And I keep these on my person all the time. The Freedom Photon flashlight is awesome. Highly recommended. I suggest checking it out.